Hello, KNUST students and freshers. Are you tired of standing in long queues at the bank just to pay your school fees? Well, I've got some good news for you. In this video, I will show you how to pay your academic, residential, graduation, or resit fees quickly and easily using mobile money right from your smartphone. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your browser. Mozilla Firefox or Chrome will do. Type in this address, and this will take you to the KNUST Payment Portal. Step 2. Log in with your username and password. Step 3. Once logged in, choose the type of fee you want to pay. Academic fees, residential graduation fees, or resit fees. Step 4. In the next pop-up menu, enter the amount you want to pay. Double-check your details. Your full name, student number, type of fee and the amount. Always make sure to enter the correct details to avoid payment issues. You'll be redirected to Paystack, the secure payment gateway. Choose your mobile money and enter your MoMo number to proceed. A payment prompt will be sent to your mobile money number. Approve the payment by entering your PIN and voila. Once you've confirmed the payment, tap on the I have completed the payment button. And that's it. You have successfully paid your fees without any hassle.